What's up humans, I'm back with another IGTV video which is all about your skincare routine. Well, skincare routine for beginners. So there are a lot of skincare videos out there, but they don't really tell you how and when to use what product or how really to build a routine, like a skincare routine. So in this video I'm gonna tell you all about it. So if this interests you, stay tuned. Let's get started. So if you are a complete noob, a newbie to skincare, don't worry, this video will have you covered. So first things first, what do we need to start a skincare routine? The very first thing that you need to do is cleanse your face. Clean skin. You need to take that makeup off. You need to take off all the impurities and the buildup that has been on your skin through the day. The one technique that I found really effective for my skincare routine is the dual cleanse. Since I'm almost always in makeup, I need to take off the makeup first and then I need to cleanse my face. So the first thing is take off all your makeup with like a micellar water or any form of makeup remover, and then wash your face with a nice cleanser or a face wash. The makeup remover removes all your makeup, and the cleanser makes sure it takes off all that dirt and grime, that little extra dirt and grime on your face. It cleans it all up. Now you've done all of that, you've taken off your makeup, you've cleansed your face. Now you have the perfect squeaky clean skin to start your skin routine. Next up is the toner. So the toner, what the toner essentially does is it resets the pH balance of your skin so that your moisturizer can work way better for your skin than ever. So that's essentially what a toner does. It resets the pH balance of your skin. Now that your skin is squeaky clean and the pH balance of your skin is resetted, we come to the third part, that is serums. Serums are essentially skin treatments, and they're awesome for giving targeted results for any skin concerns you may have. They also push a lot of moisture into your skin. There are various serums for various skin concerns, so find out one that is apt for your skin and start using it. Now we come to the fourth and most important part of your skincare routine. Actually, one of the most important parts of your skincare routine, that is moisturizing. After you've kind of treated your skin a little bit, it needs that moisturizing. So if you were not already doing it, make sure that you're doing it now. Now that you've moisturized your face, it's time to moisturize your under eyes. So eye cream, basically I personally do not use eye creams, and that's just a personal choice, but a lot of people swear by eye cream. So after you've moisturized, make sure you use an under eye cream. If there is any first signs of aging, it's going to happen in your under eye area or around your eye, because the skin around your eye is very sensitive. A lot of people use under eye cream before makeup, also like before they go to sleep. Before makeup, it just plumps your under eye skin and like kind of diminishes any fine lines and wrinkles that may be there, sets your concealer in perfectly and doesn't allow it to move. So the next step after moisturizing is under eye cream. Remember, I said moisturizing is one of the most important things in your skincare routine. Now we've come to the most important thing. Like for me, it's like a holy grail of your skincare routine, because if you do not do this, then you're kind of putting all the money that you spent into buying all these products and all the time that you put in, like putting on all these products, like to waste, to like complete waste. If you're going to stick to a routine and not put on SPF, you're kind of reversing all that hard work to sun damage. So I know a lot of people don't like putting sunscreen because of various reasons, because they find it too heavy on their skin and too sticky, or it gives like a weird cast. I know I was one of those people who hated putting sunscreen, but over the years and lot of money spent and lot of sunscreen tubes later, I found like 2 sunscreens that are extremely light and work really well. I know I wasn't showing any kind of product in this, but these I have to show. One is like a very like high range kind of a product, and the other one is like a mid range kind of a product. But trust me, here the money doesn't matter. The product is Hold on, let me show you the products. Okay, are you ready for the product? For product number 1. So the first sunscreen, okay, come on, focus. The first sunscreen that I would suggest is this one from Lancome. It's the UV Expert XL Shield, but now this one is like on the, for me, a really expensive side. It's about 5,000 bucks if I'm not mistaken. It's 5,000 bucks for about like 30 ml, and it's SPF 50. But this guys, like, I know it's expensive, but it works like a wonder. You just need like a few drops, and it lasts you really long, and it just does everything that a sunscreen needs to do. And it's like light on your skin, you can't even feel it, there's no cast, nothing. The next one, which is like a mid-range product, is, after years and years of trying to look for a mid-range product, I found this. I'm so happy with this. This is the True Derma sunscreen gel. It's a silicone sunscreen gel with skin brightening and anti-aging activities, which is also SPF 50, and you get this for about $8.99 bucks. You generally go to your regular chemist. I think chemists hold it, but if they don't, if you ask them to get it, they will do that. So yeah, these two are like superb sunscreens that I've found. And trust me when I say I used to hate wearing sunscreens. I used to hate wearing sunscreens because I used to always feel like they're so sticky and make my face so sticky and sweaty, and like it just like feels like there's all it just attracts all the dirt and grime to my face, and it used to give me like this weird whitish cast, and it just look horrible. So yeah, these two are my holy grails for sunscreen. If you are not using a sunscreen yet, please start using sunscreen. Now that I've done convincing you wearing sunscreen, I said a lot of pleases, a lot of pleases, so that should tell you how important sunscreens are. Okay, now what I'm going to tell you next can be a part of your skincare routine, but these are kind of, you know how after Marvel movies you have that extra credit scenes. These are those type of skincare routines that you can do once a week, and and you can probably slowly build it into, like, you know, your regular skincare routine. What I'm going to talk about next are scrubs and hydrating masks. So scrubs, if you are someone who is new to the whole skincare routine and has never used scrubs before, find a scrub that is not very harsh on your skin, and try and use it once a week. And after you think, you know, oh, like I'm done using it once a week and I think I can graduate to like twice a week, you can do that. With hydrating masks, use it once a week, like maybe on a Sunday or a Saturday evening when you're watching a movie or like, you know, reading a book or whatever. Just use it for that extra boost, extra hydration. If your skin is feeling like dull and tired and dehydrated, masks are a great way to give that extra instant boost of hydration to your skin. So that pretty much sums up what a basic skincare routine should look like. Of course, there are other add-ons and, you know, other things that you can do as per your skin's needs, but we'll save that for, like, you know, sometime else when you've graduated from a beginner level to a more advanced level of skincare routine. Also, if you ever get lost in the sequence, that used to happen to me, if you ever get lost in the sequence of products to be used, always start with the lightest consistency to the thickest consistency. So the first you put anything that has like the lightest consistency on your face and you build it up to a thicker consistency. Well, that's it for today's episode of skincare routine. If you like this routine and found it helpful, don't feel shy to hit that like button and share it with your friends and buddies. Also leave a comment down below and let me know how you liked it. That just makes me feel happy and validated. All right, before I go, let's do the steps once again. So we start with the cleansing, toning, serums, that is your skin treatment, moisturizing, eye cream, and SPF. Say it with me one more time. Cleansing, toning serums, moisturizing, eye cream, SPF. Very good. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.